Welcome to another edition of What the Funk Gists, where I break down a topic in a minute or less. Ethereum smart contracts by their nature are not able to query off-chain data by themselves. Fortunately, there are a number of ways to get this data into our smart contracts. One of the most popular methods is using an oracle. Oracles are simply software that run off-chain and add data to smart contracts by calling methods and passing the data as an argument. This can be done in a centralized or decentralized manner. One company that makes it easy to integrate outside data using oracles is Chainlink. In this video, I'll show you how to easily query data from a Chainlink Oracle contract that is regularly updated by a decentralized group of independent nodes. First, if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe, and make sure to hit that bell notification icon so you can stay up to date whenever I post a new video. First, we need to create an empty Solidity contract and set the Solidity version. Next, we need to import Chainlink's aggregator interface. This will allow us to easily query what Chainlink calls an aggregator, or decentralized feed. Next, we create a constructor and set the aggregator to a known address on the Ethereum network. Source code and the address to a working feed on Rinkeby will be linked in the description. Next, we can create some methods for grabbing the data. GetLatestAnswer will grab the most recent value. GetLatestTimestamp will grab the timestamp of the most recent update. GetPreviousAnswer will look back a specific number of rounds and fetch the value for that round in the past. GetPreviousTimestamp will do the same thing as the last method, but will grab the timestamp for that value. Now that you're able to read the data from the Chainlink feed, you can use it any way you like in your smart contract. For example, you can use a price feed to make a one-time trade contract, or modify your contract to perform a certain action based on the temperature. And that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.